Alright everybody, I got a quick little review for you. It has nothing to do with Zippos, but it's a product I ordered, and I noticed that there isn't really a lot of reviews for these online, and a lot of people are ordering these on Amazon, but they are getting a lot of bad reviews in the mail, and I don't understand why, because I'm going to go through it with you now, and kind of counterbalance all the bad reviews it's getting online. Now this is the HILTEX metal stamp kit. Comes with letters and numbers. There's 26 letters, there's 9 numbers, and it comes additional with, where is it? One symbol. It came with one extra symbol, the and you know, like and. This HILTEX stamp thing is good, and a lot of people on there commented on here, oh, there's an oily substance all over this. Yes, there's an oily substance all over this because it keeps it from rusting. This is a good thing. This is what you want. I'm glad they have oil on it so this doesn't rust prematurely and I get it in the mail and it's already rusted. So that's a pretty dumb comment to put on there in the reviews on this on Amazon. And another thing people said, and I didn't have this experience, but I understand some people on there did, and I can understand their frustrations, but they said they got doubles of like the letter R and things like that, and they had gotten missing numbers and things like that. I didn't experience that. I got every single one. I went through it all. It was all there. The one bad thing that did happen to me, though, is this opened in the package, and these were all loose and free, and so that's when I got to take the time to go over them one by one to make sure they were all there, and they were, so I have no disputes about it. And yes, they were open in the box. One easily could have fell out, and I could have lost it, but the company, everyone I've seen in the reviews also did say that the company did replace them and helped them out. So it's not a bad company. I ordered 4 things this day. The day I ordered this, I ordered 4 things. They all have not showed up except for this. This came within 4 days of ordering it. I ordered it, 4 days later, it was here. This came from the States. I live in Canada. Everything else I ordered came from the States too. And it is still not here. It's still not even close to the border. So this company, they put the extra in for shipping and really shipped it and gave me a good deal on it, and I'm happy with that. And then now another thing that they were saying is that when you go to stamp these, a lot of them don't line up. Well, I'd like to see how you're stamping it first off to make that assessment, to say, hey, these aren't lining up. Now, if you do look at them, some of them might be a little off. Like see this U. Because they're a certain shape, eh? They're square, right? And if you look at the outside square, you will see none of them line up perfectly square. Okay, I get that. But as you as a user, when you go to use this and you're trying to use this and make it look good, I've used these a lot in different, I used to work on assembly lines and we used to have to stamp date codes. I'm used to using these. I used to get boxes of these, and yes, a lot of them don't line up and this and that, and you think you're using it. But that's up to you as a user to see where it actually lines up, get it set right before you punch it and strike it. Most of these don't line up perfectly, right? Now you can get the more professional sets where they even have a piece that holds all the pieces for you so you could spell out perfectly straight names. Yes, if I'm buying one of those, I expect those to line up because it's coming with a piece that are supposed to line these up. These are a freehand, cheaper version. These are very heavy duty. They're very durable. I'm not going to have any problems with this. I'm going to be using this for customizations of Zippos and stamping my serial code and my name and what number of Zippo it is that I made. I have a few to start stamping before I send them out. People have won them, and I'm going to be stamping all my customized Zippos on the bottom on the insert. That's what I bought these for. So anyways, that's just a quick vid. There wasn't a video on YouTube to talk about this specific metal stamping thing, and I just wanted everyone to know, don't go into everything you see on the reviews, because a lot of the time the people in the reviews too just don't know what they're talking about, right? And they don't understand what they're supposed to be looking for. And this is actually a good product. Don't believe in the reviews. So thanks guys. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna have lots of videos coming out soon.